Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to app lock using secure folder in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you want to log your apps using secure folders, so let's see how can I do this. Just open settings, then scroll down and look for security and privacy, tab on it, and here just look for more security settings, tab on it, then tab on secure folder. From here select continue, then select continue again, and here you just have to wait for this, which is creating secure folder. It will create a secure folder for your phone. You just have to wait for its loading. Just wait for it, and then we will have a simple setup. Here you can see the secure folder has been created. You just have to set your log, which might be pin, pattern, or password. You can easily select which you want. I'm going to select pattern from here, then select the pattern, then continue, then enter your pattern, then confirm, and here just select allow, then select next. So here you can see your secure folder has been created. You must have to tap on plus icon to add your apps from here. Just select the apps which you want to lock or hide in your secure folder. I'm going to select Facebook from here. You can easily download from Play Store or Galaxy Store using this app. Just select add to add your apps, and here just tap on it and your app will be opened. So that's how you can easily lock your apps using secure folder in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.